Hello, my name is David Robert. I'm press officer for Furygan. And the way we think what motorbiking products must be could be a little bit different from the others. We really want to be different. We want people to look beautiful in the Furygan garments. We want people to be proud of the Furygan garments. And we really don't want to look like the others, because we're not like the others. We are a small family business, and we really want to keep it like that. And this is also what you see from our catalog, with a very special photo shoots that represent our commitments. It's the leather that made what we are now. But we're building textiles since mid-90s, and we really want to put Furygan gene into the textiles, and including in the touring textiles. This is why we developed this year a new touring range, kind of an aggressive touring range with all the technical specification of Furygan textile garments, but dedicated to the touring people. But again, touring people that just don't want to look like the other touring people. Once the design is chosen, we will look at the different materials.
Look how quickly standard polyester lasts. Just 0.05 seconds, and that's only at 30 kilometers an hour, and that's not hitting with a huge impact either. Compare that to Furygan's top level of protection, which is leather with a patented material protecting it. This lasts up to 7 seconds, which compared to 0.05 seconds is 140 times improvement. But I think you can see from these tests just how important it is.
So the first step in the manufacturing process is once our buyer have chosen the skin producer. We buy only skin from Italy and South America because they are the ones that are producing the best quality. It comes to the factory, and then we have specialists that are working at Furygan for years that are looking at each skin. Each square centimeter of the skin is examined to find the scars, because the cow is a living animal. There are the barber fences and things like that, so there are scars, there are holes, there are a lot of things like that that can damage the visual aspect of the skin. Then we put all the skins on a machine. That's a big machine, looks like a green table. It's called the Taurus. We have 2 of them. It's scanning the skin, so it's reading the border of the skin and all the markings that were made. And the machine cuts the pieces of the Houston hammer inside the skin, taking care of the markings that we made on the skin. Then all the pieces that were cut, it goes to another person who is looking at all the pieces again to be sure that nobody forgot some faulty scar or something like that. And everything is put into a box with all the zippers, all the badges, the patches, everything, the panters, everything is put into a box and it's sent to our other factory. Each jacket is looked at by specialists that are tracking dirt pieces, but also again faulty things that may have come through the process without having been noticed. At that stage, we also fit the protectors inside, all the labels, and then it goes to storage to be shipped somewhere in the world.
Something great about the Furygan factory is that it really does combine elements of cutting-edge technology, but also elements of human skill and expertise. We're going to bring the best of them together.
So this is our racing division, but not only, this is also the place where we repair your suit when you crash. And you can see that the girls there are also working on repairing one of Mike DiMeglio's suit, and also building a brand new suit from Johan Zarco. So if you send your suit to repair here, it will be made by the same sewers than the sewers that are making the pro racers suit.
For instance, one of the big new things Furygan are developing for some of their Moto2 riders like Johan Zarco and Tito Rabat are these elbow sliders. And as you can see, Tito's been using his. And the great thing is that cutting edge technology will then filter down to the race suits that you and I can buy.